Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Pretty good day. Woke up an hour late. I was home for the past 4 or 5 days, so I had turned off my alarm. And last night I came back and I checked if the alarm was on, like the ringer, the sound was on, and I did all that, but the actual alarm was off. So I woke up at 7:30, 7:23, and I saw how we moved up, and I was pretty mad. So I didn't trade right away. So I took a trade on my live account. Took it for 5 points, and then I came back, and I liked how we closed above the 21 EMA here. So I took a quick scalp for this is about 8 points. It was like 12 points total, but I let go of some. And I was like, I just want to secure, which was good in the end because it closed here and then it ripped up in the next one. So now we're having trouble getting above the 21 EMA again. So yeah, that's the one little scalp I took. Missed the longs off of the open. I knew we were going to rip up. That's what we did on Friday. Huge move up. Missed that as well. Didn't trade. Didn't even look at the charts that day. I got on later in the day as it was about to close, and I was like, damn, we moved up 100 points. So yeah, didn't trade, and as you can see, blew all my top step evals due to a mistake that I had done. I had this cross order option on them, and I was in 3 minis, and it immediately went against me. I wanted to be in 3 micros because I had already made some profit on the day, which is what stings. And yeah, 3 minis. I was in drawdown, and yeah, completely destroyed the accounts. I was in like $1,000 loss, and then I was trading a little bit more, and then yeah, I lost it all pretty much. So that's what happened with that. But I did make $273 on my live, which is good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a live withdrawal, and so that it equals, so I can even out the purchase that I did for one of these take profit accounts. I got 2 100K accounts. I did a lot of research, and I heard that the 100K accounts are the best option. The profit target's going to take a little bit to hit, but once we get above that daily buffer, you can take daily withdrawals, or the buffer limit. You can take daily withdrawals after that. So I got to pass and get that buffer. And yeah, and these accounts are pretty cheap. $102. Oh, no, $198 each. And yeah, I just made back the price for one of them. So I'm really only in minus $200. Down right now on these accounts. I've already paid for one of them. And once you pass these accounts, you get a refund of the account fee back. So if you pass these accounts, I don't know if you have to pass and get a payout, but I think it's if you pass. I'm not really sure, but if you just keep these accounts for long enough and make money, you're going to get the money back. The $198 are going to give it back to you. So so the goal is to just trade 1 mini on them and get these passed. So yeah, then I did 170. And then the same thing happened to my one of my funded accounts. I was in 1 mini because I had a multiplier or whatever, and I don't really. And then yeah, I was in and then it just went against me $1,000. So that's why I'm down $1,000 on this account. Practically hit the loss limit. I just got really tilted. But I made it 170, so $750 drawdown, still manageable. I'm only going to take good trades, obviously, on it. And then the other 2 accounts, yeah, they're still in drawdown by $500, but it's not really the end of the world. I'm not paying for those accounts, so really the focus is on building my live account back up. So yeah, that's the goal. And I think I'm going to wait till the end of this week to, I'm going to make money. I'm going to keep trading my live on all the accounts, and I'm going to take a withdrawal, and buy 5 more of those same top step accounts. So yeah, it'll be good. But yeah, let's withdraw this money now. Let's see. Let's withdraw this now, and then we'll be good for the end of the week. Let's see. I think if I withdraw it now, I should get it tomorrow. So, and then I can use it to pay off my... Oh, wait, not simulation. Not simulation. I really ran up my demo account on my live trading thing. There we go, live. Okay, 3,383. It's still like $1,600 lower than what I need it to be, but this is my money now, so I'm just gonna take it out. 250. What the transfer? Withdrawal. Cool. So I'm gonna get 250. Then what's gonna happen is this account's gonna basically be back. Look at this trade. Look at these 2 trades that I took. 2 shorts, which was kind of nice. 21.34, 21.28. That was like 6-ish points. After fees, it was like a $109 win, and then waited some again, and then I saw this aggressive close below the 21, so I took a short again, and then I wrote it for 8 points there. So 160 plus 109, that's like $260, $270. So yeah, those were the 2 trades that I took. Not bad, honestly. They were good timings for shorts. I wasn't really looking for longs anymore. We had already come up crazy high, and I just felt like we're going to start disrespecting and close below and do shenanigans like that. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to try some shorts. So the 2 trades that I took were shorts, because I saw all of this and I was like, damn, these are nice longs right here. This long was great. But I just missed it. So I didn't want to risk longing anymore, because I thought the long move was done for the day. So yeah, even this could have been a nice short right here, a nice reject, and then just hold. You're practically like break even the whole time, and it just dumps after, and you could have even taken it here. So yeah, but I wasn't looking. I've been doing chores and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be back tomorrow. I don't even know how much we made today. I think 400, if like 600, 700 bucks. Let's see. So let's say this is like 480, like $750 on the day. So not bad at all. But yeah, the numbers were so high because I had like 5 evals. So the smallest day was like $1,800. But yeah, that's what I'm going towards. I want to pass. I need to remember 2 things, right? When trading. So I need to make sure this is always off, so the cross order is never on, right? And then I need to make sure that I'm on the right asset, NQ here, and then I need to make sure the quantity here, because MNQ quantity is also 1, but I need to make sure that I'm not in NQ thinking I'm trading minis, right? And I also need to make sure that all the settings are right. Look at the MNQs, the ratios is all right, and NQ, it's like an exact quantity, just 1 mini, no ratio shenanigans with that. And I also want to set up the ATM strategy here for both of them, so they get copied. And yeah, I'm going to be trying to scalp a little bit more, get good at that. But yeah, look at this trade. It would have been amazing. 216. It's only like 20 points. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys like the little update. But yeah, Goal is end of this week, get those 5 top step evals back. Have a green trading week, so I'll be awake tomorrow for sure. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.